Guys, so these are the ingredients we're going to be using. Real simple and real easy to make. Here I have 4 russet baking potatoes. I have a little slab of fajita, some salt and pepper, and some foil and some olive oil to coat the potatoes. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and grab a plate. We're going to grab a potato. Let's go ahead and coat it just like this. Then you're going to grab some salt. And then some pepper. Just like that. Now you're going to grab a knife and you're going to poke holes in it. That's just to let the, now you're going to grab a piece of foil and you're going to cover it. Poke a few holes in here too. Okay, so now here's our little slab of fajita. So we're just gonna go ahead and just salt and pepper it. Here are my potatoes. These took about 2 hours. And then the fajita probably took, it was really quick, probably like 10-15 minutes. I don't even remember how long it took. So first thing is, let's go ahead and cut up the meat. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cut this down the middle. So let's go ahead and just cut it. Now you can cut it into smaller forms if you like, into smaller pieces. So we have our potato here, you see that? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. But we wanna keep the foil, okay? So now we're gonna open it up. So here I have my plate off to the side. I'm gonna show you how it's done. And this is typically when you find them like in the taco stands. So you're gonna grab it and you're gonna put it into a plate. You try so hard not to break the shell of your potato. You see? So now you have an empty shell. And now we have this. You're gonna break it up. All right, so you're gonna grab your favorite butter. Okay, and you're just gonna put some on here. However much you want is up to you. We're going to add some cheese to this. And then we're going to add some crema, which is Mexican crema. You can add sour cream if you can't find this. It's totally fine. Just like that. Just going to add some salt. Some pepper. Oops. Okay. Mix it. We're going to grab that empty shell. And then we're gonna go ahead and stuff it, okay? Just like that. Okay. And then this is where you get your meat. And you top it up. And that is it, guys. This is what you call a papa asada. And you can have it with meat or with no meat. You can add more toppings to this if you like. You can add cilantro, chives if you want to. You can add more cheese. You can top it more with sour cream. However you choose. But this is my papa asada, and this is what we're having for dinner tonight, guys. So thank you guys for watching. It was a really quick video, and go ahead and make sure you check out the videos down below, which are 2 other dishes that work very well with this potato.